So Muhammad is actually restricted from advertising. What should you do? Actually, very simple. If you're restricted, go into the Facebook, whatever screen inside the business manager or ads manager and find any clickable buttons. Because when you are restricted, you can't do anything else but to submit review. So the only clickable button is to go in and they will ask you to submit your ID, your driving license or whatnot, right? To know that you are the real person. And then if you did not do anything funny, go through the submission, everything should be fine. There should be no issue, okay? Just follow the steps, look for the clickable button, start the verification process and all this kind of thing. But if you have done something funny, then try not to. To be very frank, I really don't understand why still there are people who are still trying to, find loopholes and, advertise something that Facebook do not allow. To be frank, it's their turf anyway. So you have to play by their rules. If you really want to actually keep trying different things and finding loopholes, then of course they will keep banning you. So you don't complain. But if you did nothing wrong, just go through the verification. Everything is going to be cool.